Hello all, in this video we are going to see how we can install Opencv in Python. So let's get started. So the Opencv Python is available in PyPy package. So what you need to do, you need to open your Anaconda prompt, and I am considering that you have already installed Anaconda prompt on your machine and you have the respective environment activated. So if you don't have the Anaconda prompt installed, I will make sure that I will give a link in the description of this video so you can install the Anaconda prompt. So in order to install the OpenCV, first you need to give this command pip install OpenCV Python and press enter, and it will install OpenCV Python along with its dependencies. As you can see, I have already installed OpenCV Python with version 4.2, so it's giving its requirement already satisfied. So in order to validate whether you have correctly installed Opencv Python without any errors, you have to go into the Anaconda prompt again and you have to type Jupyter Lab. So this will be the working environment in our whole series. So we will working on this Jupyter Lab. I have chosen Jupyter Lab because it provides us a very good user interface with the folder structure on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have this beautiful launcher. So in order to launch a new notebook, you have to click on this Python 3 icon under the notebook heading, and it will launch the new notebook. Once the new notebook is launched, you have to just write import cv2 and execute. As you can see, we have successfully imported cv2 without any errors. So we are good to go. So in the next video, I will show you how we can do some sort of fun with different images and how we can resize the image and change the color and everything. Thank you all, and I will see you next time. Thanks.